Good morning. After 11ish hours ride, we are almost in Mysore, our destination for next couple of days. It's not gonna be that much to see, but there's the second most visited object in India after Taj Mahal is Mysore Palace. So we're gonna visit that and just look around, of course, but it's a pretty nice ride. Slept pretty well, and views in the morning are really cool here outside. Looks nice and tidy. Super. It turns out that it's only 26 minutes walk, 2 and a bit kilometers, so we're gonna take a walk. Nice morning, nice weather, not too hot, not too cold.
And we have footpath.
And we have footpath, which is really unusual. That's our breakfast. Juice, sugarcane juice. Secret recipes. She added a slice of pineapple and a slice of lime, half of lime. So that's why it's so tasty. So good. Amazing. My favorite drink now. So look at that, they have an outdoor gym. It's brilliant. Nice little park. Outdoor gym and kids playground. Where are we? We have Domino and Pizza Hut there and some biryani palace. Very modern places here. Here's our place. Wow. Not bad. You have this tiny couch. Not bad. Yes. Reminds me a little bit Abu Dhabi place, no? Just smaller. It's a mini version of Abu Dhabi hotel.
Oh, balcony.
Oh.
Nice.
Not much, but still nice. Yeah, so we paid another 1,500 rupees to get an early check-in because we arrived at 9:30 and the check-in only starts at 2, but with this early check-in we also get free breakfast included. So we have some time to go one floor up and get breakfast. We took a little nap after breakfast, so now fresh and energized and going for a walk. It turns out that they have proper shopping malls here, so we're gonna take a look first time at the Indian shopping mall. It'll be interesting. It's pretty modern town. Look, it's pizzerias, many like new buildings, new shops. It's really pretty, like European here, I would say even. Look at those restaurants. Super modern. Burgers, everything, coffee, whatever you want. Shawarma place. That's the supermarket, so we'll go in. Eva will do a bigger review on this one, so check her channel for the full video. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. Subway, KFC, have everything. Let's go. pretty quiet here.
Marketing us, huh?
Okay.
Thank you. So we did the shopping and it was pretty cool. Lots of really cheap things like some like groceries, you know, like fruits and veg are super cheap. Day-to-day things, but you know, like Coca-Cola or something a bit more expensive, still very affordable. Didn't spend too much. We are walking back towards the hotel and popping into Domino's Pizza. We noticed on the way that they have everything here. So yeah, so we're gonna try Indian Domino's, and that's it. But look at the area that we are passing. Like, it's really kind of rich area. Looks like nice and quiet and clean. No, clean for what we are used to in India. There you go. So that's our Domino's feast. Paneer paratha pizza. Not too good, but this stuffed how is it called? Stuffed pizza?
Garlic bread.
Stuffed garlic bread with chicken and salami. Oh, it's so amazing. It's really juicy and soft. It's brilliant. I love it. Loads of sauce, loads of meat. And the soft is really light and
Bread is
soft.
you said soft is very soft.
I meant dough. I meant dough is really soft. And the pizza, oh, it's also very good. Chicken tikka pizza with loads of chunks of chilies. Quite spicy, but still very nice, very light, and it has mint sauce on top. Super cool. Nice.
Yeah, for 12 euros.
Yeah, 12 euros. Well spent. And we have also extra chili flakes, if you like. Spicy. And oregano seasoning. Cool. So that was it for today. We're gonna do some more sightseeing tomorrow. Gonna go see the palace and gonna explore the city a little bit more. But first impressions are really good. We might even stay a little bit longer here. I really like it here. Food is nice. Everything is cheap. There are supermarkets. In the supermarket, I couldn't find any proper coffee. There was two. Usually it's instant coffee, but I found 2 packets of like normal ground filter coffee, but it's kind of mixed. It's only 60 or 80% of coffee and 20% of something else. So I'm not sure. We didn't go for it. Maybe we'll find some coffee in a cafe to buy ground beans. Yeah, but that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Ciao.